Welcome to the Creativity as a Remedy series, sponsored by the Newark Center for Meditative Culture and and hosted by me, Jewel. I am a certified yoga instructor, meditation coach, and therapeutic art coach. So I really enjoy when I get to teach these type of workshops. They're super special because they are inclusive of all things that I love, from art, meditation, and a little bit of stretching. So we start these workshops with a little bit of stretching for our upper body, shoulders, chest, and neck. Get that area all loosened up so that we can go into a meditation practice. And then we jump right into our art. So however you're joining us, you can be seated in a nice comfy chair. I'm on my meditation cushion on the floor, but however you feel comfortable in your space.